here, standing at the edge of the kitchen. The 2 living room windows, that's our entertainment niche. Patrick's in the fireplace. And then this is our new super family room. And there's the door that leads out to the garage. Into the master bedroom. Careful, get away from the window.
Let's see if there's any gophers.
Notice the bonding ceiling here in the master bedroom. It's very nice. Retreat area. Walk-in closet. This is where the soaker tub is going to go. This is where the shower stall will be. Here's the other walk-in closet. And this is where the commode will sit all by itself. Ceiling in here. You like that? Small little window. And this is where the vanities will go. Light bar, sink, etc. No, west side. West side of the house. That'd be master bedroom, living room, Sam's bedroom, entryway. Let's travel around to the north side of the house. In the backyard, looking over at the front of the house. Excuse me, the back of the house. That's our box out bay for our breakfast nook. As you can see, it makes kind of a nice little area here with the homes all the way down the way. Hopefully those people won't put up fences, keep this all nice and open. And this is our house. On the east side of the house, only a couple windows upstairs. There's our fireplace and entertainment niche. Those 2 windows are for the kids' bathroom and the guest bedroom. Over onto the front of the house. There you see our carpenter friend giving it the once-over. Looking into the garage. Standing in front of the Jacobsons. This are our friends. They have the goldenrod mark.